really want you to see what $4 million gets you in Manhattan Beach. This is a big property. It's over 4,000 square feet, 6 bedrooms. There's trade-offs, I'm gonna let you know, but come inside. Getting a house this big in Manhattan Beach, it's difficult. You're up in the 4 million, 5 million, even 6 million. This one's built in 2005, but it's got 6 bedrooms. Family room, living room. Let me show you more. Now here's the second trade-off. In East Manhattan, you want a 50 by 150 lot to get 7,500 square feet. So this is a classic Manhattan Beach backyard. It's not very big, but it's still a little bit over 5,000. Let's go see upstairs. This is a classic family floor plan. 2 bedrooms down, 4 bedrooms up. Check out the primary. Look at the size of this primary. The bathroom's awesome, the views are decent. This is the other trade-off. So we're in the 1700 block, 1740 2nd Street. This is East Manhattan. It's on a busier traffic street and we're a little closer to Aviation. That's what you're gonna get for $3.85 million. Built in 2005, but you're 4,000 square feet and above. You're 6 bedrooms. Let me show you the bathroom. It's pretty awesome. Separate jacuzzi tub, separate shower. Big house in East Manhattan. Contact me for more information. Boyd the broker.